Attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone. Again, this is Krishank, the product manager for the proterminal. So today's webinar is in like how you do the trade on the next level with the proterminal, basically. Yeah. So let's in today's webinar we will understand how we will take a decision, how we get an opportunity in the market when we investing in the market, right? So let's wait for the 1 minute. Let everyone can join. And on the meantime, please, tell me like which language is comfortable. Should I do in Hindi or English, or the both language should I use? Please write down in the question box. So we'll do the webinar accordingly. Uh, Anyone please write down in the question box like am I audible? My voice is clear or not? Thank you, Rajesh sir. Thanks for writing the question box. Thank you, Jairam sir. Okay, thanks for your input. So, yes, we'll do the webinar in the both languages. Like every, like investor can, understand how it will help, how the pro terminal is helpful to you in the, in this volatile market, and how it is comparatively very, competitive trading platform, basically, right? So that we will understand today. So on this webinar, we will segregate segregate topic into three parts, like how you can opt for the pro terminal, what are the subscription, and how like once you get the access, how you will log in into the pro terminal. First, we will understand this. उसके बाद हम we will understand how like if you analyze any particular stock, right? Because there are like 3,500 scripts into the 3,500 plus script into the market in the NSE market, basically. So in that, which is which particular stock should you invest, that we will understand in today's webinar, basically. Okay. So for first, we'll start with how you can opt for the pro terminal, basically. So as you can see on my screen, so this is our HDFC ka trading platform, as you can, like pre-login website, HDFC ka website, basically. And in that, you can see the option that is called market, research, product, right? So in the product, just have to click on the product, and in the first column you can see hashtag go digital column is there. Hit that. In the second option you will find pro terminal. So you have to click on the pro terminal. So it will redirect to the subscription page, basically. So in that subscription page, you have to write down your credential, the user ID, password, date of birth, and after that you have to click on the terms and condition and click on the subscribe now. Within a 48 hours, your pro terminal will get a access through your account. Okay. So this is how you can subscribe for the pro terminal. Second, what's the charges of the pro terminal? So there are the charges you can pay by the two way, by the both way. One is 1,999 for the 1 year plus GST for the pro terminal. And it's like if you get a subscribe, so it will this amount will be debited from your account, and once the amount has been debited, the pro terminal will be activated within a 48 hours. One more way you can active a pro terminal. Basically, you have to click on the product. In the product, if you already have derivative privilege in your account and you are doing a derivative trading, okay, so we have a planning for those traders who are do trade in derivatives. So basically, you have to click on the product. In the third column, you can find derivatives. So in the derivatives, you have to click on the derivative value plan, basically. Okay. So once you click on the derivative value plan, in that you can see. So we are giving the charges for derivative value plan is at 200 rupees plus GST. That's a one double nine plus GST. And we will provide you 20 rupees per order in FNO, zero interest on derivative margin paid as place, and free pro terminal. Okay. Yes, you are right. So it's a free pro terminal we are giving in the 199 campaign. So this is only for those who are trading into derivative trader, or those who are already activated derivative privilege in their account. So if you want to opt for this pro terminal, just activate derivative privilege. Yes, there is a no charges for get a privilege of for derivative. Yes, you can activate derivative privilege by click on the product, and that you can find the derivative privilege option. Just click over here. After that, it will ask you for the four documents to be uploaded. One is either you can upload income tax acknowledgement or demat statement or 3 month salary slip or 6 month bank statement. Either you can upload a document in any other ways, right? So by this way, you will activate a derivative privilege. Okay. Now let's move to how you can opt for the how you can get a access for the pro terminal. So basically, we do have a two platform. One is Empowered and another is Pro Terminal. Basically, right? So in our Empowered, you can see this is our basic trading platform. In that, you will get only you just only get the access of like buying and selling of the particular stock. But if you want to analyze, if you want to see the chart, if you see the fundamental studies of your a particular analyze, if you want to analyze a particular stuff, that feature you will not find in our Empowered. But yes, in our Pro Terminal, the all information will be provided in the single platform. So how you get access? So once you get access, you can see, so there is an option, is a Pro Terminal over here in the blue ribbon, the right hand side. And the third option is the Pro Terminal option. यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना है, जैसे आपको क्लिक इन द प्रो टर्मिनल, इट विल redirect, it will switch to the pro terminal basically. Okay, so this is the advanced trading platform. So let's start with like what is the pro terminal, those who are new into our webinar. So let me tell you here, pro terminal is our advanced trading platform basically. So So it's helpful for the healthy investor to understand an in-depth analysis of market. Not only that, the platform also help out our researcher, trader, analyst to know the past, present, and future of the market. The state-of-the-art system designed for the performance, reliability, and accuracy gather data from thousands of sources from all over the world, presenting ready to use in real-time information to the user. So the program will be basically gathered uh, news related using advanced techniques and mathematical algorithm helping you take an accurate decision in the market. So in the protomian layman language is like it will helpful to those one who are who are going for the long term investment, or we can say short term trading or day trading, that's called an intraday trader. So basically we design this pro terminal in that way which will helpful to every investors or every traders. Okay, so let's start with the features. So which are the features to you will get just do the trade to the next level, how you can analyze that particular stock. So I will request you everyone, just write, if you write, like, just take a notepad and pen and write down some important points which we'll discuss today. And also, if you have doubts, so write that in the question box, and we will answer one by one after the session. And also, I will give the any other suggestion if you want. We will discuss on the later after this webinar. Okay. So let's start with the watch list. So this is a watch list, fine. So how it is advanced to the, like, how it is advanced comparatively our basic platform. Okay, so in our basic empowered platform, you can only add 50 scripts. By default, you can only add 50 scripts, right? But in our pro terminal, you can add 250 scripts with five different buckets. As you can see on the screen, yeah, यहाँ पे you can find this is a watch list over here. You can just create your own watch list name, just save, and you will create your own watch list over here. Okay, after that, in the every bucket, you can add 50 scripts, and that is our root terminal. So basically, we just add over here in a blue icon, add anything about it. Just example, I'm just adding any of the stock called Moltec packaging. So I have click on the stock and it will add. So I already added over here. Okay, यहाँ पर आप सारे scripts add on कर सकते हो. Apart from that, you can also do buy. You can also do the buy sell if you want to see the chart of that particular stock. So basically, you have to click over here in the chart of this chart icon. यहाँ पे click करने के बाद it will redirect to the chart. So basically, if you click over here, it will redirect to the chart option, and you can see the chart will open, and you can analyze. If you already have a technical, you are the technical analyst, so you will understand uh, like you can plot your studies over here accordingly. So basically, it's very easy to access to all of the features, right? Okay, I'm coming back to the workspace again. Okay, next feature is, like, you can see in the workspace how it is advanced. So many of our investors and traders see this XYZ company broking firm is giving these facilities in the workspace. Like they are also giving the like 30 days ka average, 1 month ka average, 6 month percentage, VWAP, technical alerts and all, right? So there are n number of broker firms available in the market, and they are giving a different features in that particular watchlist platform, right? But in our protocol, what we have done, we have given the all facilities in our single platform. So if you want to add something like, like we can't give all the information in the our one watchlist, right? इससे क्या होगा, like the website will be heavy and it will get stuck, right? So what we have done, we have given the options like edit column. You can see on the right hand side, there's an edit column over here. If you click on the edit column, whatever you want to add over here, like if you want to add VWAP percentage, yesterday high low, 1 week high low, 1 month high low, or you can say health score. This is a very good feature of a health score, right? अगर यहाँ पे आपको long term signals, events, technical alerts, if you want to add, you just add anything. Then we have whatever attributes you want to add, you just add from here. Click on the save changes, and after that, it will all the particular feature what we have added the attributes, you can see on the watch list accordingly. So if you want to drag, if you want to see the previous source, तो यहाँ पे है, why, like मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए. Also you can drag here to here, from here to here. So it is very easy to, you will get all access, right? After that, if you want to see the technical alerts of the company, let's see the technical alerts. As you can see, this is a technical alert. So it's showing the downtrend. Why it's showing the downtrend? Usually you just move out your cursor and you can see it will give the information. So the MACD crossing above the below 9 EMA, exponential moving average of MACD, basically. So this information, so that means is showing the bearish. So if you want to see the long-term signals, it's showing the mildly bearish. So you can also find. So you can just click on, just move on the cursor over there. It will show the all the description why we are giving the mildly bearish over there, right? So this is our watch list. Also for those one who are who are the basic into the technical analysis or fundamental, like they don't know like how to plot the all the levels, and also we have also given a predefined view by the five different parameters. One you can see on the screen. The predefined view over here, just click over here and you can see that when we have given the five different parameters like technical, returns, financial, growth, and values. So if you want to start technicals of that your company of their favorite scripts, just click over the technical. It will give you all the levels like those who are doing that day trading is giving you the S1, that's a support one, resistance one, support two, resistance two, 20 days from moving average, 50 days from moving average, and 200 days from moving average. Basically giving the all the levels in the watch list itself, so you don't have to go to the charts and plot all the lines and the waste of the time, wasting of the time, right? So basically, it's giving the all the information in the single screen. Also, if you want to, if you are a fundamental and like if you see the fundamental of the company, just click over here and you can see the returns of the company, like which company is giving the returns of the 1 month return percentage, 3 month return percentage, 6 month YTD, 1 year. If you want to also see the financial of the company, so we are giving the sales, operating profit, PAT ratios, PAT. Also, we are giving the growth of the companies. So all the parameters we are providing in the watch list itself. So you don't have to analyze any like individual stocks, and if you searching every stocks and analyze all the growth of the company. So we are giving the, all the information in the watch list itself. That's the beauty of this platform. Okay. So basically, this is our pro terminal. So there are like, if you don't understand like which script we should have to invest, okay, यहाँ पे बहुत confusion है because there are 3,000 like 3,000 plus scripts into the market. So यहाँ पे बहुत confusion है कि which are the scripts you can invest. So यहाँ पे what you do? You have to just click over here. We also giving the predefined watch list. So if you want to see the NSE equity, just click on the NSE equity and you can find all the stocks available over here. And also we have you can also filter out from here itself the most active volume gainer, price gainer. And if you want to see the like I want to see the Zomato in the first row. So you just drag the Zomato into first row itself. So you can do anything, you will get all the modification in the watch list itself, right? So let's take an example of any particular stock, like which is the best to invest and how you can analyze that stock. So obviously click on the Tata Motors. So let's take that example of Tata Motors over here. So once you click on the Tata Motors, so you will see in the screen the advanced screener has been open. So in the advanced screens, we have given the eight different parameters. We can analyze your stock, the overview, FNO, financial, technical, news, peer, strategy, and option chain, basically. So we will study one by one. So let's start with the overview. So as you can see on the screen, there is an overview over here. So in the overview, you can see the chart. So basically, if you expand over here, it will redirect to the chart. After that, it will show the volume. And I already said we have already tracked BSC, NSC ka site. So whatever information is available over there, all are updating in the real-time information. So you don't have to refresh every time. It will get updated every time, every second, every moment, basically. So if we have also easily giving the information like classified into the colors, yellow is in total volume, gray is in delivery, right? Also, we have given the valuation that means EPS, P ratio, PEG ratio, uh, the price per book value, dividend yield, everything, all the information we have provided in the valuation itself. Also, year on year growth, YOY growth, right? Another is you can see the quality, returns, shareholdings, and seasonality chart. Shareholding patterns is a very important. As you know, we can understand like how much the promoter is holding in that particular stock and how much they are placing. All are updating on the real time. So if you want to see the like shareholding pattern, मुझे नीचे की ऊपर की तरफ चाहिए, so you just drag from here to here also, like this way. Correct? Also, another is seasonality chart. Okay, this is a very important feature, the seasonality chart. So it's giving you the history of that particular stock in the like last 5 years, how this stock, doing trading in the market basically. So as you can see, from we have considered from the year 2016. So and as you can see, this is by row wise, this is a year, and by the column wise, it's a month. So in the 2016 Jan, is it 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is a year, and select Jan, Feb, March, April, May. So basically, you will understand in the which month that Tata Motors Limited gives the maximum return and the maximum loss, and if it's consistently doing the maximum loss, so what was the reason of, regarding that, right? So all the information will be available on the seasonality chart, and we have also classified into the colors. So we have classified into the negative to positive. So which are the very much negative, we are classified the red, and the positive you can see on the green, basically, right? Okay. Next, we will move to FNO. So in that FNO, those who are trading in the future option. So for them, it's a very good features we have given provided to the 15-minute wire build-up feature. So basically, this is one of the very important feature as you can see on the screen. If you want to expand, so it's giving you the overview of open interest built up basically, and it will feature you like like which are the uh, what was the overview of that, what is the outlook basically, what is the outlook of that particular future contract which you are already trading into the market. So if you expand over here, so you can see there's a 25, so 15-minute OI built up giving you the 25 time intervals, that is 9:15 to 3:30. So it's giving you the outlook of every 15 minutes. So 9:15 to 9:30, 9:30 to 9:45. So basically, like this way, we'll provide you 25 timing intervals. Apart from that, we have provided the zone. So basically, it's giving you the short covering, long unwinding, a long built up, short built up, basically. So which were the classified into the colors, and it will showing you like how it is like. For example, it is if it's a long built up, so it is in the positive. Short covering is also in the positive. Long unwinding, that means a negative, and short built up, that's a negative, that's a bearish. Okay, so let's don't get confused. Long build up and short covering are bullish. Long unwinding or short build up are bearish. Okay, we have also classified the colors so you can understand how it will work. After that, you can see the column of price zone. So in the price zone, you can find in that 15 minutes high and low of that uh, particular time frame. So 420 is a low, 423 was 423.9 is the high, basically. Fresh, you can say how much the fresh contract has been purchased, how many position has been squared up, and after that we can show the credit at that particular time frame, how many contract has been traded, right? This all information provided in the single screens. By this way, you can analyze your particular stock and you can understand the market, and you will understand like where to get an opportunity in the market. After that, you just scroll down and you can see the market data over in the left hand side. So you will provide the VWAP, MWPL, rollover percentage, market load, right? If you scroll down, you can see there's a put. called chain over here. So basically, we have classified into the bar chart. So as you know, the open interest is very important into the future options. So those who don't understand, like it is in the numerical numbers. So it is very sorry. So basically, it is will be get confused like which number we have to be considered as a because that open interest number is moving in the crores, right? So that's why the reason we have giving in the charts of open interest. Basically, we can easily find out. So blue is in we have classified as a call, purple is in the put basically, right? So in that you will find that 450 ka strike price till we have a maximum open interest, and as you know, in whichever like a strike price the open interest is high, we just take the position over there and we will get a 3 to 4% of profit easily. I know the margin will they know margin will be high basically a little bit, but in yes, you will there's a less chances of loss basically at that particular time. Okay. Also, we have provided the implied volatility chart. So this we are giving the implied volatility price we have given to you. Traded contracts, the which particular strike price do have a traded contract maximum. So as you can see, the 420 का strike price. Okay, so one more thing, you will get a. So यहाँ पे in the 420 के strike price पे we have a call का सबसे ज्यादा contract trade हुआ है. But if you consider open interest, यहाँ पे कम हुआ है. That means the market, the mark, that means there is a यहाँ पे आपका moment है, right? यहाँ पे आपका सबसे मैक्सिमम मूवमेंट है बिकॉज ओपन इंटरेस्ट कम है लेकिन मैक्सिमम ट्रेडेड क्वांटिटी वहां पे है. तो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड time to trading into the 420 ka strike price basically. So you can also analyze by these way, right? Uh, so if you have a doubts in this, if you have any queries, please write down in your notebook. After the session, we will discuss. Okay, if you have any some doubts in this feature, right? Next, we will move to the financial. So we will see the financial of the company. As you know, the financial part is a very important. We'll understand the history of the company, future of the company, like how the market, how the particular stock will be, like how the particular stock will move, how the particular stock will do perform in the future. So all the information we will provide in the financial way. But those who don't understand like, how to read the balance sheet, how we will calculate the EPS, P ratio, book value per ratio. So I am getting confused. So those who are like basic into the fundamentals, that's for that one we have come up with the facilities called health square. So in that health square, we are providing that we study that particular was scraped into the five parameters and 25 sub parameters. So in the five parameters, we calculate into the value, growth, past, quality, and dividend, basically. So in that value, so we have given a 0 out of 20. So these are Tata Motors Limited. Why we are giving the value 0 out of 20? So if you click on the value, so you will see the fair value is overvalued as of now. P ratio is also expensive. Book value per price ratio is also expensive. And also we are giving the result. So we are not only telling you the expensive or overvalued. We're also providing you the information, a description like over here in the Tata Motors Limited fair value calculated using Venn gram method is below 10% compared to the current market price, right? So we are also giving you the description over here, so it will easily understand. Also, we have classified into that color scorecard. So you can see the 0 to 20 is fair, 21 to 40 is good, 41 to 60 is very good, 61 to 80 is excellent, and above 81 is a perfect stock to invest. right? And it is keep updating on the real time, the day to day life. So basically, you will get all the information. वहाँ पे जो भी price change होगा NSE, BSE पे या जो भी आपका वहाँ पे changes होगा तो यहाँ पे भी at the same time change होगा, ठीक है? So we are giving the direct access from the BSE side. Okay. Similarly, if you want to see the name, I want to see the whole balance sheet of the company. And as you can see, this is the cash flow, profit and loss ratios, results. So you will find a click on the balance sheet. You can see the balance sheet of the company over here. So you can also see the like a consolidated way, standalone way. And we are giving all the numerical numbers over here. So if you want to see the year from like you want to see the past of the balance sheet, past history of the balance sheet, we can also find from here. Like you can see the March, like we are giving the by like 2022 से हमने दिया हुआ है करेंसी में अगर आपको यूएसडी पे आईएनआर पे करना है so those who are like NRI customers, so they will also easily understand for those one. Figures also in the crores and millions, so you can just filter out from here. There's a consolidated information we are giving also for the standalone over here. Similarly, we have also given the cash flow of the company, profit and loss, ratios, results, how results of the company by the you can also see the past history by the 2022 and financial charts of that particular screen. All information we are providing in the single screen. Similarly, we are also giving the trend line analysis over here. So you will understand one by one, like as per your convenience. So for those, and we are giving on the easy language, but it's not I will tell the language. Sorry, for the easy understanding, we are providing all the information. Fourth is the technicals. You can see on the technicals. So in the technical, where those who are like don't know how to plot all the levels, charts, pivot points, Fibonacci into the chart. So for them, we have come up with the technicals. So here you can see all the levels by the support 3, support 2, support 1, pivot points, R1, R2, there's a resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3. The classic that's the pivot levels, Fibonacci levels, Camarilla, Booty, Tema. So only you have to do is you have to change your time interval basically. So यहाँ पे you can see the time interval, the 15 minutes if you want to see the 30 minutes, 1 hour, or you can say daily chart, right? Also, we have here the oscillators. So RSI over here, the Commodity Channel Index, Williams, Stochastic, MACD levels, magnetic signals. Also, we are giving the simple moving averages. So in the simple moving averages, you can see that the 20 days, 50 days, 100, 200. So giving you the outlook also as well. We want to see the exponential moving average, other indicators. So all information we are providing in the technical section, so you don't have to put the chart and plot everything. So basically, we are giving the information to those one who are the basic into the technical analysis, right? After that, we are giving the news. So as you know, that the news section is very important, right? So basically, news you have because of news you will get that updated into the market, right? So by this way, we have tracked 35,000 plus website of news, company ka sites, and and including NAC, BSE site and SEBI का side as well. तो यहाँ पे like all are the genuine domains. So you don't have to worry about it like कि मुझे यहाँ पे अगर I have to if I click. So for example, why here we have giving the all we have tracking all the sites. For example, I do have a hold Tata Motors, right? And I'm really following business standards and economic times and need. But is there any positive, let's say that any negative links will publish on any market pulse or any other related way. So we in this feature, in this pro terminal, we capture the raw data which they are published first time. So if any like market or the Bloomberg has given any information about about the Tata Motors, like the Tata Motor will fall down from this level to this level. So that will be my that means I will miss out because I'm only following business standards, economic times and need, right? So यहाँ पे we will cover all the sites, so all the information. So जहाँ पे भी अपने particular product को पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट्स का कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन और कोई भी डेटा अगर पब्लिश होता है न्यूज पे, so that news will be directly published on the real time over here. So as you see on the screen, the Tata Motor announces price increase for commercial vehicles ahead of BS6 phase 2. अगर आपको ये पूरा पर्टिकुलर आर्टिकल्स पढ़ना होगा, so आप you just have to click over here, it will redirect to that page. So right now I don't have access, but yes, you can then this news is published on apnnews.com. Okay, and all of the genuine domain, don't worry about it. Okay. Next, if you also want to the sentiment, short by sentiments, if you want to see the positive, negative, neutral of the particular Tata Motors, you can also short by sentiments. Also, you just filter out like आपको कहाँ देखना है, like आपको you want to see adverse media, contracts, earning, fundraising. Also, if you want to see overall news of the market, you will just click on the news and click on equity. You will get the overall news of the market on the real time and keep updating on those. And I suddenly be like, like all the informations are, sorry, all information is updating on the 5 minutes, 10 minutes later. No. आपको जैसे ही कोई पर्टिकुलर साइट्स में अपडेट होती है वहां पे हम वी विल ट्रैक वी फैच द डेटा एंड वी शो अप इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन. Also, we have given you the news. Also, we have providing you the social media news as well. Streaming news called social media news basically. तो यहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया न्यूज को भी मेनली टारगेट ट्विटर. तो ट्विटर में लाइक टाटा मोटर tweeting about something about that product or any other big analyst giving any view of the product, view of that particular screen. तो all यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे experts and the companies के Twitter account है we tracking down and अगर आपका Twitter में account नहीं है so also you can watch out from here, right? Also we are giving the recommendations, so if you want to see the recommendation of the particular Tata Motors like in HDFC Securities the proterminal we not give the recommendation of see proton see HDFC Securities का. We also giving you the recommendation of other broking house to get your more assurity to buy that particular stock, right? जैसे कि अभी मोतीलाल ओसवाल ने बोला है परचेस करने के लिए 16 मार्च को. Why? तो अगर आप ये आइकन को चेक करते हो, if you click over icon, so it will redirect to that page, and if you understand, so it is understanding in the money, it is showing in the money control. So this article is published on the money control. So like this, similarly, जैसे कि मैं आपको समझा रहा था कि आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट न्यूज पेपर्स चेक करते हो, न्यूज सेक्शन चेक करते हो, तो दिस वेरी टाइम वेस्टिंग आप वहां पे जाओगे एंड देन आफ्टर यू कम बैक टू द log into the account, then you put a trade. It's a very time wasting, the time consuming. तो हमने सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वहां पे दिया है, you have to just click over there डायरेक्टली आपको जो कंसिडर जो पढ़ना है वही पढ़ सकते हो. Also you will get a view from the big analyst. So यहाँ पे within past 180 days कोई व्यू आया नहीं है अभी तक. So basically कोई भी बड़ा एनालिस्ट अगर कोई व्यू देता हो important व्यू that's like यहाँ से मार्केट गिरेगी या मार्केट चढ़ेगी या तो टाटा मोटर्स. So basically all the information provided in this particular feature area. Okay. Yes. So like this we have also we have given you the sentiment charts. So those will sentiment chart over here वो भी देख सकते हो. After that, you just like this, we have completed the news area. Next, we will move to the PS comparison. So yes, once again, the PS comparison, everyone know. So it will give the view of that PS comparison of that particular stock, and we have basically calculated in the three-way quality versus value, value versus growth, and quality versus growth. Right? सो यहाँ पे भी आप बाय सेल कर सकते हैं, अगर पीएस कंपेरिजन पे चेक कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं। Next, you can see the strategy over here. So you can see, find out the strategy of that particular. If you do the option trading, आप option trading से आप strategy भी बना सकते हो. And after you make your strategy, you have to just जो भी आपका option trading. Yes, in the Empower there's an nothing features is like about like option chain. वहाँ पे आपका option chain का features है ही नहीं. But yes, in the pro terminal you will find the option chain over here. So basically you easily understand like अगर कहाँ पे आपको रखना है, like कहाँ पे कौन से strike price पे easily buy sell करना है, या फिर आपको if you want to make out the strategies like straddle triangle कुछ ये करना हो तो आप you can make out from here itself. Okay, so like this way you will you get your whole informations, whole studies of your favorite skill into the one platform. And by this way, we have completed this webinar. So if you have any queries, doubts, or feedback, please type down in the question box. So we'll answer one by one. Okay. Lojesh, sir is asking what is the difference between normal and advanced terminal? Sir, in the normal terminal, you can say you have only get the access of buying and selling. So if you want to analyze any stock, if you want to see a chart, option chains, or numbers, balance sheet, fundamental studies of that company, so you have to come to the pro terminal. You have to just switch to the pro terminal. We get all the information of the our pro terminal. But if you want to see, if you want to in the normal platform, you will not get any all the information regarding that. So that's the difference between the basic one and the advanced one. Okay, Punyam is asking, is this useful for swing trading? Yes, ma'am, you can easily, we have many more features for if you do want to do the swing trading. So basically, we also do have a feature, have VWAP. So you have to just click on that dashboard. In that dashboard, in the real time, we have giving the VWAP watch over here. So if you want, you have to just select your sector or cap. So let's take the cap like Nifty mid cap 100, or let's take the example of Nifty mid 50. चलो Nifty mid 50 पकड़ते हैं. If you click over here, just fetch your data, you will get a no. There's a no any stock is available there कि like आप वहाँ पे कर सकते हो. Let's take the example Nifty 500. So if you fetch the data, you will find that these are the stocks who break the level. तो यहाँ पे you will get a you will it will help to you for the swing trading, because as you know when the VWAP is break, that time that particular stock giving you the 3 to 4% का return. So यहाँ पे as per that time आपको सारी information मिल जाएंगे, and yes also you will get a outlook over here, and at what time that particular viewer has been break, सारी information आपको एक ही platform पे मिल जाएगी. Uh, Raghavendra sir is asking, can you do GTD in FNO? Yes, we do have a features in FNO, but not from the Pro Terminal. If you want to put the GTD order in the FNO in the future, so if you have to switch to the Empower, there we are giving the facilities. Raghavendra sir. Okay, Manmit Sir is asking, can you repeat how to sign up for proterminal and how I have tried before but does not seem to be work. Okay, so manipulation is very easy. So first you have to, if you don't have a access, so just go to our website, the hdfcsite.com. Don't have to log in, just the hdfcsite.com. Just click on the product. After product, you have to click on the pro terminal. After that, they will ask for the subscription. With the this way, you will get the access. अगर आपको if you already do have a access in your account, so when you log in your N powered, it's a basic platform. यहाँ पे you will get a pro terminal option. Just click on the pro terminal, you will get a direct access from there. And if you have a two-in-one account, so you just speak with your respective relationship manager, Manmeet sir. So they will help you out to how to take a, how you will get a pro terminal in your, they will help you out for the get access to the pro terminal in your account, basically. Any more question? Please write down in the question box. Okay, Romesh is asking, do we have a pay subscription cost? Yes, there is a charges for Pro Terminal is a 1,999 plus GST. But if you already have a derivative privilege, sir, so we have a derivative value plan that cost is 199, that's a 200 rupees plus GST. In that we have also given the free Pro Terminal. And please check with your relationship manager if you do have a access of Pro Terminal, you will get a because we have running a very more marketing campaign in that we have also provided the free program to some customers. So just please check with your relationship manager. Okay, Manvir sir, you just write down to the customer care, customer care at the hdfcsite.com. Just write down your queries over there. So your like dedicated team manager will be contacting you and will help you out as soon as possible. Thank you, Manvi sir. Thanks for your. Okay. In the meantime, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Can you please give me the feedback of this webinar in the question box? And also, like, if you have any other doubts, queries, like, can this particular topic we have to be covered, or just give me the feedback. So accordingly, we will do that. Rama, yeah, Rama may ask how I have a derivative privilege, how will you get a cost me for the proton? Ma'am, you just get your value plan of 200 rupees plus GST, and you will get a free proton access. Just contact your respective relationship manager. He will help you out. Rajendra sir, thank you so much. Manvi sir, thank you so much. Thanks for your feedback. Okay. Uh, okay, let's end this webinar session. Thank you so much for the joining. As you know, the protein is a very vast subject, so it's very difficult to, like discuss all the feature in one webinar because the webinar duration will be go up. So due to the limitation of time, we will stop the webinar today. Yes, stay tuned with us. We do have a webinar on every Monday and Thursday. With we will come up with the good topics, and also if you want to see the particular features of a particular song, so you have to just do one thing. Ki just go to our YouTube ka channel, that's HDFC Securities. Just subscribe subscribe the our channel and you will get all the individual feature like one by one features over there, and you can understand, and that feature is very informative as well over there, right? And uh, yes, Rama ma'am, your relationship manager is not here. No worries. You just write down all your queries to the customer care registersite.com. We will reach out within 24 hours to you, and we will dedicate we will assign one dedicated relationship manager to you. Don't worry about it. And thank you, Rajiv sir. Yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for the joining. The great day ahead, and thank you.